This is the morning weather update. This is for Wednesday, the 8th of November. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather stays dry today, unseasonably warm. However, rain chances will return late this week and over the upcoming weekend. A lot of new model data in. And next week, by the way, is kind of a complex forecast. So let's discuss things. We have the upper air look to start with, and we have a ridge in place here across the deep south. That will keep temperatures today well above average. We're expecting highs in the low 80s in many spots today, much like yesterday, but it's relatively cool this morning. We've got 40s east of I-65. So when you go from 40s in the morning to 80s in the afternoon, that's a sign the air is very, very dry. Mostly 50s down in South Alabama. We do note there is a dense fog advisory as this day begins for the southern half of the state. And that fog will be dissipating by mid-morning. And around the nation, relatively quiet. Winter weather advisories in effect for a few spots around the Great Lakes and up in the Northeast. Maybe some thunder today around the Great Lakes. Nothing severe. Tomorrow, a chance of thunder west of Alabama, parts of Texas, into Louisiana, Arkansas, southeast Oklahoma. But again, nothing severe. And then on day 3, which is Friday, maybe some thunder for parts of the Texas coastal plain. So rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And again, the idea is unchanged. Rain amounts for most of the state around 1/2 inch. Maybe a little more in spots. This will not break a drought, but it's a start. And again, we'll get the new drought monitor tomorrow. This product comes out once a week, every Thursday morning. And again, we don't expect any improvement, needless to say, without a drop of rain here over the last week. Tropics just quiet as could be. Hurricane season wraps up at the end of this month. Model fans, here's the GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 4. Ridging in place, sunny and warm, highs around 80 in most spots today, maybe low 80s. So tomorrow, highs in the mid to upper 70s, clouds gradually increasing, rain breaks out to the west. Rain possible tomorrow for places like Memphis, Little Rock, and Dallas-Fort Worth. And Friday, a surface front eases in here, and that will bring a chance of rain and cooler temperatures. Highs dropping in the 60s for the northern half of the state, 70s for South Alabama. It's not going to rain all day, but rain at times. We will mention a chance of mostly light rain for the high school football playoff games Friday night. And what's going to happen over the weekend, the front will be stalling out near the Gulf Coast, and moisture goes up and over the top of this shallow layer of cool air, overrunning, if you will. Isentropic lift. And that means a cloudy, very cool weekend with some light rain at times. Again, you're looking at Saturday, and this is Sunday. And again, timing out exactly when it's going to rain this weekend is hard to do, but there's a chance of rain both days. And for the northern half of the state, highs will be in the 50s. It'll be much, much, much cooler than the warmth of recent days. Highs in the 60s for South Alabama. And again, no severe weather, probably no thunder, just some light rain at times, with totals of about 1/2 inch Friday through Sunday. But hey, we'll take it. Monday, we're into a drier air mass. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. The sky should be sunny. The same thing on Tuesday. And this is a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 15th of November. Got a ridge in place here, and again, we're dry. But I will tell you, there is very poor model consistency in here next week. Very poor. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 17th. A northwest flow aloft. The GFS is dry as could be, but the European says not so fast. It's going to be raining. And that's kind of the idea. The Euro has a chance of rain in here basically every day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. The GFS dry as a bone. And when the pattern begins to change, the global models will struggle. And typically, the European performs a little better in the medium range, and we're hoping and optimistic that maybe it's right, and we will have a chance of rain over the latter half of next week, but we'll get better clarity as we get closer. You want to look at the ensemble output. This is always a better way of looking at things. This is the rain for Birmingham for the next 15 days, out to the 23rd of November. And you're looking for the mean of the ensemble members. European has about 50 ensemble members, and the mean is running between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 23rd of November. Some of the members are higher, showing amounts in excess of 5 inches. But again, there's just signals out there that we will be breaking out of this. In fact, again, I wouldn't be totally shocked if we were to have a severe weather event here before November is over. Keep in mind, this is tornado season. Temperatures for Birmingham off the national blend of models. Look at the big drop. 80 today, 50s by the time the weekend gets here. Got 76 tomorrow, 67 on Friday, then a very cool weekend. High should be in the 60s for next week. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for November 15th through the 21st. And again, I warn you, that you look at red on here and you think it's going to be hot. No, the red in November is radically different than red in August. And again, like I've said here, temperatures above average would be 68 or 69 in late November. But they'll probably be a little above average by then. So, had this major wildfire yesterday and last night in northeast Tuscaloosa County. We lost some homes here. Some folks lost their homes to this. This is located northwest of Lakeview, northeast of Brookwood, in a fairly rural part of Tuscaloosa County. The community is called Griffin Ridge, and these shots were taken by one of the residents in that area. And again, this is scary stuff. This was a fairly large fire. It's contained as of this morning, based on reports from the news department. But again, you just can't do any burning outdoors. You just can't do that. I mean, this could happen in a heartbeat. And please don't throw cigarette butts out the window of a car. That started countless fires along interstates here over the past several days. This is some daytime video. Is the firefighters were working on containing that fire in northeastern Tuscaloosa County. But it is so dry, and we need rain so badly. So today, headed up to Etowah County and Hoax Bluff, home of the Eagles, Hoax Bluff Elementary School. Tomorrow's Sacred Heart Church School in Cullman. And then on Thursday, we're going to, tomorrow is Thursday. You know it's bad when you don't know what day of the week it is, which is often the case with me. So, yeah, today it's Hoax Bluff. Tomorrow we'll be in Cullman at Sacred Heart School. And then Friday, most schools are out. It's Veterans Day. But we do have a book signing on Saturday. That's going to be in Rockford, Coosa County, the Triple R Cafe. We're going to be there from about 9 to noon, and we'll have our children's books, Benny and Chipper, the series. We have 2 out now. We have The Wonder of Thunder, that's the latest, and then the original, Prepared Not Scared. We have All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak here. Weathering Life, which is my autobiography, and all of the cool shirts and the hats that Crest Publishers has to offer. So again, if you're in Rockford, Coosa County, or anywhere nearby, Wetumpka, Alexander City, Sylacauga, Clanton, come over and see us, 9 to noon at the Triple R Cafe on Saturday. And don't forget to catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.